While placing, the location of the dulcimer in the room will be controlled by using your right hand. If you pinch your left hand, you can rotate the dulcimer or raise it up and down. When you are happy with the dulcimer's position, pinch your right hand to place. With your left hand, turn your palm upward and pinch your thumb and pointer finger to toggle the song tutor menu. If you grab the handle with one hand, you can rotate the dulcimer in place. If you grab the dulcimer with two hands, you can raise the dulcimer up and down. You can also reset placement totally in the settings section of your menu, if needed. You can also enable VR environments to replace your camera feed here.